Madam Wasrom, distinguished delegates, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. First and foremost, sincere congratulations and appreciations to UNISDR for organizing this very important event and towards warm hospitality accorded to us. The theme of this session is very relevant to Brunei Darussalam, as we need to enhance our efforts to reduce the impact of disasters, namely floods, landslides, strong winds, wildfires, and haze, with special attention of the communities and other stakeholders at the local level. Under the mandate of Disaster Management Order 2006, the National Disaster Management Center is preparing a strategic national action plan for disaster risk reductions in realizing our commitment to the Hugo Framework for Actions and also the ASEAN Agreement on Disaster Management and Emergency Response. The main thrust of our investment will be on the community preparedness, disaster response mechanism, and disaster risk mitigation projects. On community preparedness, we have embarked Community-Based Disaster Risk Management Program, CBDRM. The program is introduced in 2010 with the support of ASEAN Disaster Reduction Center, ADRC, with the objective of developing community awareness in disaster risk and building up their capacity in managing emergencies and disaster situations. It had been carried out in most disaster-prone areas, comprising of 3 modules: town watching and hazard mapping, first aid, and fire safety. The CBDRM program will be followed up this year with a module on contingency planning and a disaster exercise with the participation of the communities working alongside government emergency responders. On the other hand, a multi-sector approach has been our most effective means in managing disasters, and we recognize that the disaster response mechanism could be strengthened through the adoption of Incident Command System, ICS. Under the ASEAN and United States Program on Disaster Management, the ICS has been introduced in 2010 and has proven its effectiveness in disaster operations, enabling efficient and timely response whilst minimizing the impact of disasters. In terms of infrastructures and development, we have carried out a number of flood mitigation projects in the most frequently flooded areas. In the last 8 National Development Plan, a total of approximately $236 million worth of projects were implemented, resulting in notable reductions in flood-prone areas from 918 square kilometers in 1998 to 315 square kilometers in 2008. Another $136 million will be spent in the current National Development Plan for more upgrades to help manage the flood situations and hopefully reduce the flood-prone areas further to 70 square kilometers. These mitigation projects have factored in changes in climate pattern so that they can reduce flood risk impact during extreme rainfall. All of these activities and many more in the pipeline signify our commitment in putting high investment in managing disaster risks by placing equal priority between disaster risk reductions, preparedness, and disaster response. Madam Wasrom, ladies and gentlemen, finally, let me once again express our congratulations to our host for this important event. Brunei Darussalam is delighted to be part of this international community with a common vision and goal, which will prevail as an important investment for a safer tomorrow. Thank you.